Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you quickly change your email on Facebook updated this 2023. So if you want to change that, then this video is for you. So all you have to do is log in to be logged in on your Facebook app and go over to your profile. And once you are here, you just have to go over to see your about info here on your timeline. And under contact info here, you can see your email there. All you have to do is press edit, and all you have to do is go ahead and manage contact info. So it will be depending on the server. So all you have to do is change that over here. But if that does not work for some reason, then go ahead and go over to here on the three lines here on the hamburger icon, settings and privacy. So password and account information, and then contact info. And over here, you can then go over here. And all you have to do here first to change that email is add an email address first. So all you have to do is add that certain email address. So for example, you want to add that. And once you have added a certain email, you can then have the option to um, delete or delete that certain old email that you've entered before. And you just have to confirm that to have that option um, over for you. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can change your email address on Facebook. Thank you for watching and goodbye.